everyone, and welcome to another Minecraft video. So today I'm going to be doing another tornado versus where we test it against a wood and brick house. Now I've been doing some testing. I originally did another recording of this video and it did not work. So if I will give you a tour of the house. There are villagers in the background, of course. So yeah, you come in here, there's a table, and I'm actually gonna add a little brick thing like that, like a counter. And don't mind this. Oh, uh-oh. And I'm just gonna fill this in with brick right here. The reason that wasn't filled in is because I couldn't get any other stuff to work there. I didn't know that you would need the same slab. You can't make slabs. And here's the bed. Oh, right, I'm in 1.19. I'm in 1.12. So I was doing some testing. This is actually the second version of the house. And I'm going to start with an F1. I'll spawn it right here. F1. Okay, so hopefully that isn't drowning out my audio. I'm just gonna get in here and game mode 0. I'm in survival mode. And yeah, I don't think it's gonna hit. But I also don't think it's safe to be outside. That would not be smart. Wait, is it moving completely to the side of where I started it? Yeah. Okay, well that was a fail. Hold on. Okay, so that went the wrong way. Like it was going completely straight though, so that's fine. Don't mind the wood blocks, that was from the original house. That was boring. Maybe right here. If I'm right, this thing might get a direct hit. Okay, yeah, I think this. Might end up being a direct hit. Nor a clip. Gonna wait here. See what it does. I'm hoping that it doesn't hit. But then again. Did it miss? I think it did. It clipped. Did it? That was actually pretty close. If I go outside, will I be bold? Oh, yes, I will. It's not a good idea. Thought it might clip us. No, I'm just gonna let it go, never mind. Okay, is it safe? Okay, yeah, it's fine. That was close, I would say. There it is. Like, yes, over here. Probably gonna hit a village. Unless it just turns into an F-Zero, of course. We'll start each store from the same place. And see, and move this to the side a little bit. So if I am correct, go ahead. First of all, make this an F2. And readjust 2. Nope, I don't want to look at my inventory. I'm already hearing it. I don't want to be stepping over here. Yes, there might be a hole or two there. Please, no. I get it again. If it's the F2 again that gets us. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Yeah, I think in my head. It's either gonna go like 2 blocks away from us or hit us. And I think like I see it. It is inside the house. That is so close. Oh my gosh. So close. It is right out there. Oh my gosh. Hopefully this is... Okay, yeah, it's impossible to go outside. Nope. Well. Hold on, I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, it's just going that way. This is a very bad idea. Don't try this at home. Yeah, it's sucking me in. No, don't try this at home. No, do not suck me in. No, no, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. I can walk freely now, okay. Where'd the F1 go? Went off that way. Yeah. I'm gonna go back inside. Gotta keep going till this place gets hit. Hold on, I need to place down a weather radar actually. Oh yeah, the F1's gone. That came pretty close. To us came pretty close. It was like right here. Only F3 a little closer. And a little more towards the house, hopefully to get a at least want to get it to clip us. Now we're getting to one that's gigantic. It already feels like it's on top of us. Please move. Nope. Doesn't look like it wants to move. It might be moving the other way. I don't know. This thing, we're gonna get hit. It's gonna very closely miss us. It's gonna be a near miss. Oh my gosh. It is outside the window. It's like we're inside it. Oh no. Wait, is it thing? Yeah, it's right there. Oh no. Yeah, pulls you. Don't want that to happen. No. Move away. Still not safe. Moving slowly. But this thing will kill you. Don't wanna die. Oh no, I don't wanna die. I just at least like it's so slow. My gosh, it's so slow. It's not even. And yeah, there it goes. Right outside. No blocks are missing. Video will be going on till we get hit by a tornado. And this EF3 will not hit us. Very clearly. Gosh, no. No! Get inside! No! Get inside! Get inside, you! I'm an idiot. I don't know. It's sucking me in! No! Oh, I'm free. Okay. Well, that was not close at all. That was really not close. Like it was, when clipping us, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 blocks from us. So clearly the winds have changed, because it went that way. So, hold on, I must get thumbnail picture. Hold on, must get this quickly. There. Okay. Now for an F4, and this one was pretty close because it took forever for the F3 to even get close. Damage. Back on this thing's gonna be wide. So I have a feeling that we could very likely get hit. Oh yeah, it's already pulling me. Get in. Why is it strengthening? And I think we're gonna get hit. Speaking, it is extremely close. It is so loud in my ears. I cannot hear a thing. If this does not hit us, I do not know what will. But it looks like it will hit us. Which means I'm about to be sucked out of the house, probably. And if I don't, I will at least start to be bold. Speaking that the tornado is right here, I do not think I will survive this. I do not know where it is. It looks so close, but it is not close. Okay, well, it is close, but I do not see myself getting thrown into the air. So I do not think it will hit. I really shouldn't talk like a robot. I've been recording for almost 20 minutes trying to get a tornado to hit this house. Right there. It is. No, I'm killing all of them. What? Where was it? It spawned right here, and then it. Wow. Don't come close to the village, of course. Alright, I'm spawning the F5. Very close this time. Right here. Still hear it. Come on. I'm waiting till inside to go into game mode 0. Okay. Oh no. Okay, yeah, it's already here. Here it is. The time when the tornado finally hit the house. It's about time. I mean, yeah, here we go. Yay. Oh no, and here I go. Whee! I am not dead. Finally got a tornado to hit the house. It took all the tornadoes to get it to hit the house. But finally, the F5 hit the house. Yay! Now, I'm gonna kill all the storms. Here are all the blocks. Well, pretty good damage, I would say. Good. The table's still here. Yay! Anyway, that will be it for the video, and it'll be uploaded. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next Minecraft video.